Hello everyone, สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Jane and I'm from Niagara College team. Niagara College is a public post-secondary educational institution in Ontario, Canada, offering more than 130 programs with between our beautiful campuses in Niagara-on-the-Lake and Welland. Niagara College possesses 12 on-campus enterprise, can offer the students to gain hand-on experiments. The student can work while they are studying at Niagara College, and additionally, we have so many attractive scholarships for international students up to 20,000 Canadian dollars. Niagara College and Pacific Premier are very great partners. So if you want to study abroad and want to know more about Niagara College, let's visit and reach out to Pacific Premier. Thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ